Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping Within. Thanks for stopping by today. So my last video was this A4 simple journal and I had a request for a tutorial and I thought, yeah, why not, So I've got my coffee all ready. Here we go. Love the coffee. I've discovered my printer does borderless printing, which makes it better. I won't have to sponge the white bits because there are no white bits. I might just sponge it anyway, just make it look pretty, So I've already done the printing. You wouldn't want to see that. That'd be akin to washing paint dry, wouldn't it? So stamping up thick basic white cardstock for the covers. There's the front and a coffee pattern on the back, and there's the back cover with its paper with its pattern on the back. Okay, first thing we're going to do is this is, by the way, from the Journaling Joy May kit from Scrimping Mummy. You can find it on her Ko-fi page. I'll put the links down to her Facebook, YouTube and Ko-fi in the description. First thing we need to do with these is put them down. So 1, 2, the Stampin' Up trimmer will cut 6 of these sheets without even breaking sweat. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure they're level. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a 1/4 of an inch off the long side, and the same on the other side. So hopefully you can see this. I'll just check my camera. Yeah, it's all in shot. Lovely. So there's a bit, and the same on this side, 1/4 of an inch. Okay, and same on these 6 sheets. I've done 12 sheets. It's a nice round number, isn't it? The idea is my wife can't write anymore since she lost use of her right hand due to cancer treatment 10 years ago. One of the quite rare side effects, the treatment has destroyed the brachial nerve in the chest, which can, she's got strength in the arm but has no control. She can't control the fingers, if you know what I mean. So what she's going to do is use Pages on her iPad, that's the word processing document, and type and add images, print them out, and then stick them on these pages. So yeah, so she's going to have 2 of these. Right, now then, the next thing to do, to make it easy to open, we're going to score the front cover at 1/2 inch on this side, yeah? So put those out of the way. Get the scoreboard, which needs a dust, I'm afraid. Sorry about that. Right, so 1/2 inch is there. So we're just going to slowly go down. Lovely. And then put that back and just fold it. Just like that. Okay. Right. Assembling. yeah, it's that way, isn't it? Now you'll see, if I can get this right, that now putting this edge together, we get a little gap top and bottom, and obviously at the side. Right. To keep it where it should be, hands don't seem to be working properly today. I've got my box, I've got my book binding box, and I'm just going to use these clips here to fasten it together so everything stays where it should be. Make sure that's, yeah, right. What we're going to do now, piercing mat, and I kind of do this by eye, you know, I don't use a ruler. I'm going to go about an inch there, give it a wiggle, about an inch here, and in the middle, right, that's the middle, close enough. Right, to put this together, we're going to do a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and I've just realised I should have threaded this before I started the video. So if I don't do it within the first couple of tries, I'll just fast forward the video so you don't have to watch me trying to thread a needle. Oh dear. Actually, the first thing I need to do is measure it, isn't it? Twit. So I'm going to do 3 lengths of the page. You don't want to stint yourself, you know. This will be plenty. Trim it with some scissors. Right, let's have another go, shall we? Got it. Right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go down through the middle, okay. Through the top. See, my hands definitely aren't working this morning. That missed the hole completely. Not having lot of luck today, am I? Oh dear me. Right, that's lovely. Right, let's pull that through to about there, and then we go all the way down to the bottom. Get you back into shot. And then up through the middle. Okay, pull it through. Now then, take off your needle. Make sure that your thread is both sides of the middle along it. Pull it tight, but not that tight in. And then you tie a knot. Or a bow. I'm not going to do a bow. Just a bog standard granny knot. I could have done a reef knot, of course, left over right, right over left, but yeah, that wasn't going to happen, was it? So just leave a few, a nice little tail. Take off your binder clips, and there you have your completed A4 journal. So I am going to sponge this. Get a sponge that's got a bit of blue on it or something. I've got a lot of brown ones for some reason. Is there a blue one in here? Oh, there we go. That will do. This is boho blue on the 2023, 2025 Stampin' Up in colours. I'm just going to dab it and just go around the edge. Oh, this is pretty. I do like this. Because there is a bit of white there. Obviously didn't crop it quite right, but no problem. I won't do the back. Am I going to do the back? No. Back's all right. It's the front that's the important bit, isn't it? Close your ink pad because you will get your fingers in it, or cardstock. And there it is, complete. Stash your needle away so it doesn't go walkabout. And so there's the cover, and then we have 12 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There is 12 in there because I counted them out. Obviously one's just stuck to the one a little bit. And there's the back. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Whatever you're doing today, wishing you a lovely time. Take care everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.